$500 from Google with a copy and paste system. All you have to do is just go to www. Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step exactly how to earn $500 per day from Google with a copy and paste system. I'm even going to show you how to automate it with artificial intelligence so you don't have to do any of the work yourself. But before we jump into it, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below this video and smash a thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm to see. As you can see, a nice big PayPal payment sent to me for simply utilizing this copy paste system. So make sure to stick around and do not skip over any of the steps. Now the 3 steps to earning $500 per day from Google with a copy and paste system. Our step number 1 is I'll be revealing the top Google search that will earn you $500 per day. Step number 2, I'll be showing you how to automate the work with the artificial intelligence. Let's go ahead and jump onto Google, and I'm going to give you the Google search that's going to earn you $500. So what you are going to type list words into the Google, then what's going to come up in is the site right here. You're going to go to the site. As you can see, it says write and get paid, and this site top 10 blog article. Okay, now this site is not creating these articles. People like me and you are creating these articles. Now as you can see, there's one right top 10 reason history was beyond gross. 10 animal facts that simply don't seem real but are right. So a bunch of interesting topics here that are being written, and this site is getting million upon million of views every day. Now what you could do is go to more, write and get paid, and they will pay you around $100 for your efforts, right? So all you have to do is submit a top 10 article and they will pay you $100 by PayPal. So you could have to submit 5 of these articles in a day and get paid $500, but I'm going to show you how to generate this article with artificial intelligence so you get paid immediately and you don't have to do the work yourself. So what we are going to do is we are going to come over here to openai.com. We are going to log into ChatGPT by pressing login, and ChatGPT is basically this artificial intelligence software that will do anything for you. So what I'm going to ask ChatGPT is, can you write me a viral blog article about a top 10 list? And I'm going to press go, and then boom, it's going to spit out this top 10 article right here, as you can see, and spit it out in less than 10 seconds. It says the unbelievable tech breakthrough inspirational stories that will melt your heart, hidden gems of nature, mind-blowing facts that will make your jaw drop, and whatnot. So that's a pretty good article right here, and it's generated for free for us. Now if you don't like this article, what you could do is then ask it what I asked ChatGPT was, can you create another viral top 10 blog about a different subject? And then as you can see, it spit out another one, unlocking the unseen top 10 mind-blowing fact about space that will leave you stargazing, the black hole, Bonanza exoplanet, Earth 2.0, the great cosmic recycler, dark matter and dark energy, the great wall of galaxies, and so on. So this is pretty cool, and now you can take this article right here. Okay, you could take this article, you can copy it right, and you can just submit it over to the list verse. All right, and the submission form is right here. You can submit it. Few things to keep in mind: they don't accept lists from writers who don't have a PayPal account. This is non-negotiable. If PayPal doesn't support your country, please don't request alternative method of payment. So before submitting, make sure you have your PayPal account ready. If you have PayPal account and you want to make money by using your PayPal account, then this video right here is just for you. Check it out. I'll meet you right there. Start learning and start earning money online.